Go.
You got this, you got this.
Let's go, Carmela McLaren.
Oh my gosh, we need to start with first. Oh my god, that dog doesn't want any.
When your dog is finished eating, go ahead and put your tin up.
No, Bailey, eat out of yours.
All right, we got a first winner. We need 2 more. We got a second winner. Who's gonna get the next one?
You done eating?
That's exciting.
Ada's like, I'll try. Do you want to have some of Bailey?
Verge. 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 You want me to jump in? You want me to jump in?
All right, third winner has been found. Thank you everyone for participating. You do get to keep the pie, so go ahead and enjoy that.
Yours is peanut butter. We'll save the rest for later, okay?